Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw sa lahat ng Sagittarius. Welcome back. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love. Sa inyong Tagalog love reading, ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, so for today, ang gagawin natin ay ang inyong no contact love reading. So alamin natin ano ba yung kaganapan with you and your person while in no contact. And ano bang rason kung bakit may no contact. Sige, habang binabalaso ko itong cards na to, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Sagittarius. Okay? Na nakasubaybay at nanonood ngayon. At sa mga bago dito, sana supportahan niyo itong channel na to by liking this video. Okay? By subscribing, of course, to this channel para updated ko sa mga susunod ko pang love reading. At by sharing this sa mga kilala nyo Sagittarius. Okay? Saka comment lang kayo sa baba kung mag-resonate itong reading na ito sa inyo. Okay? Also, gusto ko lang ipaalala muli na this is a collective reading, so this may or may not resonate sa inyo. Okay? So, kung mag-resonate, then good. If not, huwag natin pilitin. Okay? It means na hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang reading. Kaya, subscribe na para updated kayo. And baka yung mga susunod ko ng love reading yung mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko is bubunot ako ng tatlong cards each for the recent past, present, and near future. And sa last part ng reading, I will seal it with oracle card, which is the advice to you by the universe. Okay? So, sige. Tignan natin. Sige. In the recent past, the Magician, the Lovers, the Tower. Then, sa present moment, there's Temperance, Three of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. And the near future would be, Ten of Wands, the Empress, and the World. Okay. Okay. Sige. Ayan. So, in the recent past, there's the Magician, the Lovers, and the Tower. At the present moment, there's Temperance, Three of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. And in the near future, there's Ten of Wands, the Empress, and the World. So, there's a strong energy of Gemini, and Virgo, pati Aries and Sagittarius, saka Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, and Scorpio, pati na rin nasabi ko na pala yung Taurus. Ayun. So, yun yung pwedeng signs ng person ninyo. Doesn't have to, but yun yung strong energy na nasasagap ko sa reading na ito. Okay? Sige. So, in the recent past, nasa mid ako. There's ba't kaya ako nasa mid? Bigla talaga ako nasa mid. So, I can sense here na yun nga, there's a sudden change. Kasi ito yung in the recent past, ito yung talaga yung tao na minanifest mo at dumating siya sa life mo at you both fell in love naman. Minahal nyo naman talaga yung isa't isa. However, may nagbago. Okay? May nagbago sa relationship ninyo. And yung shown here by the Tower card, which is, nagkaroon kayo ng malaking issue at di pagkakaunawaan that led to the separation and no contact. Okay? Pero tingnan natin ano yung reason na yun. Kasi mahal nyo yung isa't isa eh. And this is the love that you manifested. Someone that you really desired. Okay? Oh, Page of Wands. And the Star. Oh. Okay. The Star. Star card. Okay. So, it's Page of Wands as shown here. And, you're hoping for more than just yung alam mo yun, yung more than the fun side of the relationship. So yun yung gusto mo sanang mangyari between the two of you. And gusto mo din sana na magkaayos kayo, magkaroon ng fresh start after all this big conflict or issue na nangyari sa inyo in the recent past, and you're really hoping for it, kaso hindi nangyari. Okay? And you really parted ways, kaya nagkaroon ng no contact. Okay? You're gusto mo sana ng panabagong simula na mag-heal na parang past na lang, di ba? Kasi hindi siya nangyari. Okay? But at the present moment, ayan, you're trying to reflect and meditate, and you're really looking forward to have a reconciliation. And as shown here by the Temperance card, magkakaroon ng reconciliation. Okay? At the present moment, there's this energy na gugustuhin nyo ng both parties to really work it out, work something out, as shown here also by the Three of Cups, which is a card of celebration and establishing relationship. Pero nakakabit siya kay Temperance card, so it's a re-establishing of the relationship that will make both of you happy and celebrate love. O diba, masaya? Sige, tingnan natin na lang yung detalye pa nito. Okay, and the Magician ulit. Okay, and King of Swords. Oh, nice. So, the Magician this is something that both of you want and manifest. And desire nyo talagang dalawa na magkaayos. At gagawin nyo siya ng paraan at bibigyan nyo siya ng effort. So, magkakaroon ng communication where both of you will be honest and mature enough to resolve it. Okay? So, napakaganda. And however, in the near future, okay, meron lang, well, hindi siya issue, pero you have to be diligent, and there's this obligation, as shown here by the Ten of Wands, that you have the obligation to sustain it and to keep that nurturing love, kayong dalawa, together, so that maging successful and happy yung relationship ninyo, as shown here by the World. And the World is a very happy card when it comes to relationship. It's a card of fulfillment and completion and celebration. So, go. Tingnan natin yung detalye. O, diba? The Emperor. Ayan, the Emperor and the Empress lumabas. In Tarot, the Emperor and the Empress are the power couple or the soulmates, kumbaga. So, di ba? Oh, wow, so full of love. Uy, i-manifest niyo na to sa Guitar U. Sobrang ganda ng reading niyo. So, there's the power couple, the Empress and the Emperor here. And the near future. So, yun, magkakabalikan kayo. And, dahil mahal ninyo ang isa't isa. As shown here also by the Ace of Wands, which is a card of new beginnings when it comes to love. And as shown here, there's so much happiness and you just have to be diligent enough to sustain it. That's an obligation and responsibility on your part and your person's part. Okay, ano? The Empress and the Emperor. So happy! Ang ganda ng reading ninyo. So, ayan. So, for the meantime, habang contact kayo, it's just the perfect time to just reflect on the situation. Pero magkakaayos kayo. Okay? Magkakaayos kayo. Saya-saya. So, huwag mag-alala. Huwag malumbay. Okay? Ay, sorry. So, tingnan natin ano yung advice sa inyo ni Universe. Okay. So, keep doing, don't give up. Ang galing. O, diba? Huwag kayong, basta-basta give up dito sa relationship na to. Kahit in no contact kayo, normal lang yan. Habang nagre-reflect kayo sa kanya-kanyang sarili, diba? At sa mga naganap in the recent past. Pero, huwag bibigay, huwag bibitaw, don't give up. Okay? Don't give up. Because something good and something beautiful is coming in this relationship. O, diba? So, claim nyo na tong energy na to. Diba? Manifest. Comment na kayo below if it resonates. And, I really hope na mag-resonate to kasi napakaganda ng reading, lalo niya yung present and near future ninyo. Okay? So, ayan, abangan nyo na lang muli ang susunod ko pang love reading sa lahat ng Sagittarius. Maraming salamat. Kita-kits muli. Ako nga pala, si Mystico Moreno at sa susunod na love reading. Dito lang mismo. Ingat!